Today I'm going to show you how to chit potatoes. It's really important to chit your potatoes so you get a really good crop. I've got some egg trays, but you don't have to have these. You could use egg boxes, or you could just use like a little cardboard box and just cut the top off of it. So take them out of the bag. It's really important that you take them out of the bag before they start shooting, because if they're in the bag and they start shooting, then you can easily break the little eyes off. So basically lay them on the trays so that they will start to sprout. So what you want are kind of like thick green sprouts coming off of them. The reason you do this is because if you didn't do this, they might not sprout, and when they do sprout, they would have thin white shoots on them and they wouldn't be very good. You wouldn't get such good potatoes. It's not the end of the world, but it's just more effective and you're far more likely to get a better crop. So I'm just going to spread them out on there. Once I've spread these out, obviously put your label on there so you know which ones they are. These are Casablanca, so these are first earlies. These can go in between March and May. I'll probably put mine in March. It's probably when I'll get them in the ground, but if I don't get them until April, it's not the end of the world. So you must put these in a light place. So my conservatory is perfect because it's frost free. You could put them in a garage, but somewhere where it's cool, but that it doesn't freeze and that it gets light, because it's important they get light so that they sprout properly. So that's those ones in there. These ones are second earlies and they're called Kestrel. I really like these because these are disease resistant and they're particularly nice potato. I've grown them for years and years, and the same thing, just spread them out over the box like so until the whole tray's full up. I might end up needing another tray for these, but we'll see if I can get them all on. So I don't grow any main crop potatoes, just purely for the fact that these ones I can leave them in the ground for longer if I want to, and I can leave them right in until October, so they swell up like a main crop. And although I've got quite a big allotment, I like to grow a variety of things, and if I grow too many potatoes, then I won't be growing all the other things that I enjoy growing, but obviously it's up to you whether you grow a main crop as well. So do you know what, I might actually need to get them all on. So there you go. So if you've got any questions about this, then please obviously comment below. My next YouTube will be about pruning fruit, which will be next week, which is what I shall be doing up my allotment. So if you like what you see and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.